You should make some immediate moves to become rich quickly, and we will tell you 13 such simple money moves. Let's begin without any further delay. Number 1. Develop a comprehensive net worth statement. A net worth statement provides a clear overview of your financial position at a specific point in time, highlighting both your assets and liabilities. Regularly updating your net worth statement is essential to ensure you are aligned with your retirement planning goals. The federal government provides guidance on how to proceed effectively. Wealthy individuals consistently monitor their financial portfolio to ensure effective management of their assets. The last money move is very important, so keep watching the video till the end. Number 2. Initiate a SHA. A health savings account serves as an effective tool for managing medical expenses that fall outside the coverage of your health insurance plan. Both you and your employer have the opportunity to contribute pre-tax dollars to an SHA, allowing you to withdraw funds for qualified medical expenses. Any unused funds will carry over to the next year, in contrast to a flexible spending account (FA). Please subscribe to our channel and help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers. Number 3. Establish a financial plan and adhere to it diligently. Are you navigating your finances without a clear strategy? You are likely managing your financial obligations promptly and strategically investing in your future through a 401k. Are you utilizing credit cards for purchases and relying on the remaining balance at the end of the month? Establish authority over the circumstances by implementing a household budget. This tool will enable you to monitor expenses, investments, savings, and spending effectively. We endorse YNAB. You Need a Budget, a budgeting application that provides a complimentary 34-day trial. You have the option to create a budget using modern applications or to employ the traditional method of pen and paper. It is essential to consistently monitor your income and expenses even after establishing a budget. Number 4. Identify an additional revenue stream. Identify your skills, interests, and market demand to discover a lucrative side venture. Consider various avenues such as freelancing, online tutoring, e-commerce, ride-sharing, dog walking, affiliate marketing, or launching a blog or YouTube channel. Leverage platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Upcity to acquire clients or offer services. Conduct thorough research and experimentation to identify the optimal alignment with your schedule and objectives. Evaluate your passions, skills, and resources, and utilize online platforms to identify opportunities that resonate with your strengths. Through commitment and innovation, you have the potential to transform your side project into a lucrative enterprise that enhances your earnings and aligns with your interests. Number 5. Streamline financial obligations. Consolidating debt represents a strategic financial decision that streamlines your financial obligations by merging various debts into a single loan, characterized by a reduced interest rate and a unified monthly payment. This strategy minimizes stress, optimizes interest expenses, and accelerates debt repayment. Consolidating debt enables the avoidance of missed payments, late fees, and potential harm to your credit score. To effectively manage debt, begin by cataloging your obligations, including interest rates and payment schedules. Next, evaluate potential solutions such as personal loans, balance transfer credit cards, or debt consolidation programs. Select the optimal solution for your circumstances, proceed with the application, and allocate the resources to eliminate your debts, concentrating on a single monthly payment to manage your debt effectively. Number 6. Reduce your expenditures on automobile insurance. Have you evaluated your current vehicle insurance rate to determine if there are more competitive options available? Shopping can indeed feel like a cumbersome task. However, there has been a recent shift. The process of comparing car insurance options has been significantly streamlined with the Zebra, a leading insurance comparison platform. The Zebra provides immediate, real-time comparisons from a multitude of reputable insurance providers. Number 7. Identify and eradicate ongoing expenses. Implementing a new subscription service is a straightforward process. Over time, certain expenditures can blend into the background, and it may take months to recognize that you are allocating resources to something that sees minimal usage. There is an application named Trim that efficiently identifies your subscriptions and facilitates the cancellation of those that are no longer utilized. Our foundational service is offered at no cost. Many subscription services, including Netflix and various OTT platforms, contribute to rising recurring expenses, potentially leading individuals closer to financial strain. It's advisable to evaluate your Netflix subscription and any other services you may not be utilizing. Consider reducing unnecessary expenses. Number 8. Explore more cost-effective options for internet or cable services. The digital landscape is highly competitive, with providers actively seeking your engagement. Longevity with a company does not equate to an unbreakable commitment. Evaluate your options and secure more advantageous agreements. Additionally, engage in negotiations with your existing provider, explore opportunities for bundling services, and implement an auto-pay system. Your organization has the potential to significantly lower your expenses if you take this action. Number 9. Acquire life insurance. While the topic of mortality is challenging, it is essential to consider the implications for your dependents or family. Life insurance can play a vital role in securing their future, particularly when you hold the key financial responsibility. We offer a diverse range of products. Which option aligns best with your objectives? Indeed, life insurance may not be suitable for every individual. To eliminate any ambiguity, Stacy Johnson, the founder of Money Talks News, addresses this topic in Which is Better, Term or Whole Life Insurance. Number 10. Allocate resources towards a cutting-edge device. Allocating your resources wisely is crucial for wealth creation and ensuring a prosperous financial future. Investing allows you to enhance your savings progressively, reach your long-term financial objectives, and establish a solid foundation for retirement. Investing is a strategic move to maintain your financial edge against inflation, as the purchasing power of your capital can diminish over time due to rising prices. Furthermore, strategic investment can serve as a consistent income stream and facilitate the attainment of financial autonomy. There are numerous avenues for capital allocation, including equities, real estate, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds ETFs, and index funds. Evaluate the opportunity to allocate resources into a diversified portfolio that is in harmony with your risk appetite and financial objectives. For instance, consider allocating resources into a diverse portfolio that includes both stable investments such as bonds and more volatile options like stocks. Investing in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, or opting for a tax-efficient investment like a Roth IRA, is a strategic move to secure your financial future. Conducting thorough research and gaining a comprehensive understanding of the fees, risks, and potential returns is essential prior to making any investment in assets. Number 11. Optimize your 401k contributions to the fullest extent. The proven strategy for enhancing retirement funds sees an improvement in 2023 as the maximum annual contribution limit rises by $2,000, reaching a total of $22,500. Individuals over 50 have the opportunity to contribute an additional $7,500 in catch-up contributions, a provision by the IRS designed to enhance their retirement accounts. Number 12. Establish and enhance your emergency fund. The 2019 pandemic underscored the critical importance of maintaining reserve funds to effectively navigate job loss, reduced hours, and other financial challenges. A job loss, a medical emergency, or car damage can impact your life at any moment. Establishing a robust rainy day fund is essential for maintaining protection against unforeseen challenges. I recommend establishing an emergency fund that will enable you to sustain yourself for a minimum of 6 months without external assistance. It is essential to establish a precise budget that outlines your monthly expenditures. It is essential to allocate a portion of your budget specifically for contributions to the emergency fund. This may represent 5% or 6% of your overall income, depending on your income level. Number 13. Revise your W-4. Taxpayers could face an unexpected situation if they discover that their federal withholding falls short of covering their IRS obligations. Adjust your withholding allowances now to proactively mitigate next year's potential shock. The IRS tax withholding estimator is a valuable tool for determining the appropriate amount to withhold from your paychecks, ensuring that it adequately covers your tax obligations. Now, please subscribe to our channel if you are interested in knowing more tips on personal finance.